So this is like sort of my skincare routine most days, but then I put in a face mask once a week for my face mask Friday basically, and then sometimes I use an overnight cream, overnight mask as well, which I'll show you all. But it's morning now. I've just woke up, well, I woke up about an hour ago. It's Saturday for me. I straightened my hair and got dressed, and I've still got my lashes on, so I look semi-ready to go still. But the first thing I do is I find the flannel, which falls down. That is not the flannel. The first thing I do is when I'm brushing my teeth and stuff like that, I get ready. So I have my flannel. I'm just going to put my hair back so I don't get it wet because it's perfectly straightened. And then I just wash this and wash over my face. It's fairly damp, not overly, because I don't want to get my lashes wet, because I showered last night. And then I just rinse the flannel out and I'm done. Well, it looks quite red on the camera. And then I hang this over the bath to dry. And then I just use my towel and damply like dry it as such. As you can tell in no videos at all, or hardly any videos, I don't wear foundation or things like that. I just go with the flow. This is slightly red, but it's calming down already. As you can see, I've got a little red nose because I just blow my nose. But now we're going to go and put my face cream on and just do my face like that. That is all I do in the morning. Pretty easy, but as I said, my skin is in pretty good condition that I don't need to do much more. Okay, so now I'm in my bedroom and I'm going to put my makeup on and stuff like that, which is just literally under the bottom, eyelashes and like mascara and eyeliner. But I am using at the moment Dr. Botanical's Advanced Bio Face Moisturiser. So I just run this over my face now, moisturise my face basically. Like that. Then I just put my makeup on and I'm ready to go for the day. And then I'll be back later when we do a mask, and then I'll go through another day as well what I do. So I'm taking my makeup off now. Obviously I've got my lashes on still, so that's fine, but I'm just taking them off. I just use simple wipes to remove it. There we go. And then I will just wash my face with the Sleepy Face. Is it called Sleepy Face? Bar from Lush now, and then we'll put I'll show you what else I use during the week as well. So actually I thought before I do that I will just go through what I do. So every Friday on my blog, if you did not know this, I review a different face mask, particularly for normal to dry skin, which is what I have got. My T-zone particularly gets dry, but there. So I've just got my new lot of face masks in. I normally get about 2 months worth in at a time, and I just got these from Boots this time. So this is all of the ones that I have got, which whatever one I use will go on to, whichever one of these I use will go on to, which will already be up. And this, which is dirty. So yeah, these are all of the packaging stuff that I've got, like face mask wise, to use over the next few weeks. Whatever I use this week will go up on my face mask Friday, so before this video, and the others in the next few weeks. But we're gonna go clean my face now anyway. Well, it's clean, but you know, cleanse it. and then we'll use one of them. And I've got a sleep mask as well, which I can show you. So let me show you this as well, because lips has got skin on as well. So I get really dry lips, and any lipstick, anything like that, rips the skin off my lips, so I have to be really careful. But every night I put on A&D ointment, which is actually nappy rash cream. I put that on my lips every night, which was recommended to me like years ago. I put that on every night so that I can like have good lips every day. So let me see this one. My go-to overnight masks are either the Sunday Rain Tender Bliss Sleep Mask or Dr. Botanical's Poe. So I wash my face using the flannel. And then using this, I just massage it in. Like so, and then I just use a little bit of the flannel again just to rub it in. And then I am using Dr. Botanical's, this is a Moroccan Rose Superfood Oil. I've got rosy red cheeks again. And then I just put it on my face and rub that in. You can use this in the morning as well as the evening. Right now I'm just using it in the evening, but it's totally up to you. Then we go and chill for a bit, because that would be every day. I will put a face mask on for you just so you can see everything in a week. Okay, so on face mask nights I just take a knot wrap or a headband of any kind, chuck my hair up so it is out the way, if it isn't up already, into just like a bun. Put in my knot wrap, which is from my Happy Place, like so. And then I pick my mask out. So I've chosen the Simple for dull and tired skin. It's a new one. It's a detox and brightening clay mask to draw out impurities and pollinates like a magnet. No artificial colours or perfume, no harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, no alcohol, no minerals, oils, and no animals. This will be up already on my Face Mask Friday. If you wanted to go check that out, you can. I'll leave it linked down below. It's cruelty free as well, which is perfect. And you leave it on for 5 to 70 minutes. So I always read the instructions. I always post everything anyway. Apply on a clean face, which I've got. Avoid contact with eyes. Leave in 5 to 7 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly with water. Use twice a week or as often as needed. This is it. And I'm just going to take my photos now for my Face Mask Friday, and then I'll put it on with you. Okay. It's open, which is rare. So I've got clean hands, I've got everything's clean and ready to go. I always use my fingers now. I don't use a brush because I can get a better application using my fingers. Just looks like that. Done. So now I go for the 7 minutes and come back. Ta-da! And there is my face ready to go to bed. And that is pretty much my day-to-day / weekly routine. That's why I showed you the mask as well. But yeah, now it's bedtime for me, evening for everybody watching this, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.